First part of this is solving the equation. What do you mean by solving the equation? If I write sine x equal to half, whatever the values of x are called the solution. There are infinite number of solutions for sine x equal to half. You all know that. If you are having solution between 0 and 2 pi, if the angle x is between 0 and 2 pi, what do you call that solution? What do you call the solution?
Principal solution.
Principal solution. It's called the principal solution. But if you are having a generalized all values of n or all integers, if you are writing different of all the possible solution, it is called general solution, right now?
Yes, sir.
Now today, first part is how to calculate the principal solution, how to calculate the general solution. So what are the things to remember in that? For principal solution, first you should know the special angle values, this table. Sine theta is 1/2. How much is theta? Theta is pi by 6. Sine theta is equal to 1/√2. How much is theta? Pi by 4. Sine theta is equal to √3/2. How much is theta? Pi by 3. All these values. Those tension at this table you should know to get the answer. Where you are likely to have a problem is because there are two principal solutions, how to get those values. Now let me explain to you that. Fast I'll explain. Because suppose I give you cos theta is equal to half. Immediately ask the question, cos is positive in which two quadrant? Cos theta is positive in first quadrant
And fourth
quadrant. If this angle is theta, then what is this angle? It is 2 pi minus theta. We measure it in the other way. We measure it in the opposite way. The other angle that you should calculate is 2 pi minus theta. That means if cos theta is positive, cos theta and cos 2 pi minus theta will be equal. If cos theta is negative in which two quadrant? Second and third. So cos of pi minus theta and cos of pi plus theta will be equal, and it will be minus cos theta. So this will be used when the value is negative, and this will be used when cos theta is positive. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now again, so let's once again. So how the quadrant is defined as? First quadrant we take it as theta. Second quadrant we take it as pi minus theta. Third quadrant we take it as pi plus theta. And fourth quadrant we take as 2 pi minus theta. Is it fine? So now you tell me, sine theta is equal to minus half. Sine theta is negative in which two quadrant? Third and fourth. Right? All silver teacup. So I will write sine pi plus theta is equal to sine 2 pi minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Then I'll put theta's value. You know that sine 30 degrees is half. So instead of theta, plot 30 degrees. That means pi by 6. So what will happen? Sine pi plus pi by 6 equal to sine 2 pi minus pi by 6 equal to minus sine pi by 6. That means sine 7 pi by 6 is minus half. This is minus half. And sine at this 12 minus 1. 11 pi by 6 is equal to minus half. Now compare this both, equation 1, equation 2. Tell me what are the possible values of theta? What are the possible values of theta?
7 pi by 6.
7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6.
Then pi by 6.
All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
select
sir.
the formula according to the positive or negative. If it was positive, if sine theta was half. Next case, just look at this one. Imagine sine theta is equal to half. Find the value of theta. Then you would take sine theta equal to, tell me which quadrant is sine theta positive? Sine theta is
Second
positive.
quadrant.
So sine pi minus theta. And then you will put theta as how much? 30 degrees. So sine pi by 6 equal to sine pi minus pi by 6 equal to half. So sine pi by 6 will half. This will give you one value of theta. Sine, now take the LCM here. 5 pi by 6 also will give you half. So this will be other value of theta. So theta is either pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anybody? Okay,
No,
try
sir.
yourself. All of you try yourself. See, question bank means not the same question. If suppose question bank has given you cos theta is half, find the value of theta, does not mean they cannot give you tan theta is minus root 3. That means this type of question will come. Have you followed that?
Yes, sir.
Don't try
Yes,
to
sir.
mark up the answer and go for the class, for the exam. Okay, all of you do cos theta is equal to half. That means cos theta is positive or negative?
60 degrees.
Positive.
This is not theta. Theta is 60, you know. Is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Which quadrant cos theta is positive?
First and fourth.
fourth.
If it is first and fourth, what do you call fourth angle? This first angle is theta. Fourth
Yes.
angle
2
is
pi minus theta.
2 pi
Pi
minus.
minus theta.
So what formula will be writing? Cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi minus theta. Then what you'll do? You'll put theta as 60 degrees. So what do you get the answer? Cos pi by 3, cos 2 pi minus pi by 3.
Pi by.
Correct? All of them will be half. So cos pi by 3 is also half. Cos, how much is this one? 5 pi by 3 is also half.
5 pi by 3.
So your answer theta is pi by 3. Yeah, theta is 5 pi by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
all of you do yourself cos theta is minus half. So which quadrant cos theta is negative?
Second and
Second and third.
So what will be the formula that you'll be writing?
Pi
Pi
minus
minus
theta and
theta,
pi
pi
plus
plus theta.
theta.
Cos pi plus theta. And you want the answer to be minus half. Correct? So theta's value will be the same pi by 3 only. No change because cos 60 is half. So replace theta by pi minus pi. Theta by pi by 3. So this will come 2 pi by 3.
4 pi by 3.
Yeah, cos 2 pi by 3 is minus half. And cos 4 pi by 3 is minus half. So your principal values are 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. Is it clear to everybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let's have a look at these questions in the question bank. Question bank. Oh, where's question bank? Okay, can you see the question bank on the board?
No,
Yes.
sir.
Oh, no. Okay, 1 minute. I'll revert.
It's not open.
Not open. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. Answer me the first question.
B.
2 by root.
So, yeah,
11 by 6.
sec x is equal to 2 upon root 3.
Yes, sir.
So cos x is equal to root 3
Root
upon
3
2.
by 2.
Is it positive?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. Tell me the value of x here.
5 by 3.
Which angle? 30 degrees, no?
pi by 6.
So one value is pi by 6. And cos x is positive in which quadrant?
Option D.
So second angle will be cos 2 pi minus pi by 6. So how much is this? 11 pi by 6, no? Take the LCM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, option B.
So cos of 11 pi by 6.
11 pi by
So what are the two answers? Pi by 6 and 11 pi.
11.
Everybody followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think, let me just check if any other question on this.
So we're supposed to show the working, right, in the answer.
No. Yeah, very
Yeah.
important thing. Yeah, look at this. You don't have to show the working in this. No working, just totally answer. And 1 minute.
Matrices है.
Oh, I will. Okay. Listen to me. How to write the answer? You will write like this. In the examination, please note 1 MCQ, question number 1, B, pi by 6, comma, 11 pi by 6. This way, this is all you have to write, nothing else.
So working
sir.
का करना.
No working. Nobody wants your working. तुम कॉपी करो, अपने आप लिखो, कोई देखता नहीं है. If this is correct, full mark. What you worked, nobody will look at it. MCQ, no working.
Yes, sir.
1 mark question, working is required. MCQ question, no working. Just write your answer. But don't write 1B. Yeah? You will not get the answer. You will not get 4 marks. You have to write the option plus the answer. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
This compulsory. I'll remind you once again in the exam hall. But
Sir.
then you might.
Sir, but अगर if we show the working, is it going to give like marks cutting है क्या उसके लिए?
No. Whether you write or don't write, it's not your concern. Nobody will see it.
Okay,
So why
sir.
you want to waste your time in writing? Just rough work mein karo. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
no
sir.
working is required for MCQ. You write it on the side or don't write it on the side, that is your problem. Answer should be correct. That's it. Okay. And
Yes,
are you aware that the exam is in our college only?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
But don't think you can copy all. That is a wrong.
Sir, will there be an external examiner?
External may be there, inspector will come, the COVID checking is there, everything is there. So don't expect, and we have to send your video recording to the camera has to be sent.
Yes, sir.
So there is no question of any cheating happening in the college. You will be debarred. So don't
सर
even expect.
मैंने लास्ट ईयर पूछा था आपसे कि एग्जाम सेंटर हमारे इधर होगा कि कहाँ होगा.
But this year exam centers are in their respective colleges. Okay. So exam center is in our college. This year, because of the COVID, exam center is the same classroom as the classroom you were sitting, but it's COVID. So you will be in a 1 row, 1 column, there'll be 2 students or 3 students. In 1 classroom, there'll not be more than 5 to 10 students. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
remember, do not have a feeling that you can copy. That is not going to happen. Let me make it very clear to you. If we allow you to do that or something, it is wrong on our part. We are cheating the students who have put their effort in studies. So don't expect any extra thing from our side because it is happening in the college. Of
So
course,
voice
I'll
be
come and
recorded,
remind
na?
you like these things. Like question
Yes,
number 1,
sir.
option A, you have to write the answer, but no way you will get the answer. Is that clear to everybody? Do
Yes,
not
sir.
have such a feeling in your mind. It is a wrong.
वॉइस भी रिकॉर्ड होगा.
हाँ चलेगा ना. ये तो reminding है ना.
So
Yes, tell me.
so this general solution part is cancelled, right?
Which one? General solution?
Yeah,
No.
it's in the in that PDF it's given as cancelled, and even in our college our teacher told us that it's not there.
But is
It's
there in the question
reduced-
bank? No.
No, it's not there. And
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
सर कुछ तो कैंसिल किया है.
Okay, let's-
yeah,
Okay,
general solution theorem is cancelled, and in the question
Theorem
bank-
is cancelled. Theorem is cancelled. I
no,
don't
no,
think.
even the questions we asked in our college, and they told us that it's not there. General solution.
All right, fine. Well, we'll do one thing, Divya. Just we'll check whether question bank mein hai ki nahi.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. If it is there in the question bank, we have to study. If it's not there in the
Okay.
question bank, We don't
ये
have
अभी
to study.
क्वेश्चन बैंक था ना जो अभी खोला.
So then I'll go by question bank only. I'll just keep on solving the question bank. Now you
Sir,
can say question
general
bank.
solution theorem and 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. I mean, I'm guessing from page 68 of the textbook, only the theorem and a few
Okay,
examples.
okay, fine. Principal solution. I misunderstood this as a general solution. We have asked principal solution. Can you see the board?
Yes.
One second.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, here we'll have to write the step. So please write
Yes,
it.
sir.
Cosec x is equal to 2. So sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now write the positive formula. Sin is positive in which quadrant?
Second
First
Sir,
and second.
second and first.
Second and first.
First.
So first is sin x only. Second is pi minus x. Second quadrant is written as what? Pi minus x. Third quadrant is written as pi plus x. Fourth quadrant is written as 2 pi minus x. And that should be equal to half. Now put the value of x. Which value of x will give you sin x as half from the table?
30 degrees.
30 degrees. So put x as 30. 30 you should write in radians. Sir. So what you'll get answer? Sin pi by 6 is half. Sin pi minus pi by 6 is half. That means sin 5 pi by 6 is half. Also, pi by 6 belongs to 0, 2 pi, 2 pi open bracket. And 5 pi by 6 also belongs to 0, 2 pi. Therefore, after writing this, therefore, the principal solution is in set you must write. Either you write in comma also will do. Pi by 6, comma 5 pi by 6. Now tell me, why did I write this way the equation? This way, why? What is the necessity to write like this?
रेडियन में ढूंढते हैं.
No, because our question is like this, you know. So we are comparing with the question and getting the value of x.
Yes.
This is your equation. This is your known fact. Known fact and the equation you are equating. So you got x value as pi by 6. But you can call this as a principal solution only if it lies between 0 and 2 pi. So you are saying this angle that you got lies between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore, your solution is pi by 6. Same way, you got this value. That value also lies between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore, the principal solutions are this two. Because definition of principal solution says it should satisfy the equation as well as it should be a number between 0 and 2 pi. Has everybody understood why you should write each step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, you are making it in the format of the equation. After making it in the format of the equation, you are saying that this angle is an angle between 0 and 2 pi. Therefore, it is a principal solution. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes,
steps are
sir.
clear?
Yes.
Yes. Can I remove it?
Yes, sir.
Next is sin x equal to 1. Now, sin x is 1 means, what do you mean by that?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So where are the 90 degrees occurs? Only in 1 and 2, 0, 2 pi. Anywhere else?
Why?
Then x will be 1. So x has only one value. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Here, if you write pi, you cannot write any pi by 2 because 1 it comes on the axis. So sin x is 1 only once. So pi by 2 is the only principal solution. So pi by 2 belongs to 0, 2 pi. Therefore, the principal solution is pi by 2. So you will be writing only two steps there. Sin pi by 2 is 1 and Pi by 2 belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, the principal solution is pi by 2. Is that clear to everybody? Any doubt else in principal solution?
No, sir.
Now we come to polar coordinates. In fact, what they have done is they have asked only easy questions. Okay, polar coordinate. Recording is going on now. Yeah. What are the things to remember in polar coordinate? If the x coordinate is, if the point is x comma y, its polar coordinate is r theta. Just geometrically understand. Geometrically understand. If I take an angle theta and rotate it through an angle theta, and this one's length is r. Okay, like this, imagine. Rotated through an angle theta, and the length of this radius is r, and the coordinate of this point is x comma y. Then this is called the polar coordinate, and this is called the Cartesian coordinate. What is the relationship between the x equal to r cos theta and y is r sin theta? So what are the type of questions they are going to ask you? They will give you Cartesian coordinate and ask you to convert to polar coordinate. Then you will use the formula r is root of x square plus y square. And theta will be the principal value. For example, you let's say 1 by root 2 comma minus 1 by root 2. Find the r and theta, find the polar coordinate. Then first thing is you will calculate r, root of 1 by root 2 square plus minus 1 by root 2 square, which will give you 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which will give you 1. Then you will calculate what is theta. Now calculation of theta depends on which quadrant. Which quadrant 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 lies? X positive and y negative. Which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Then if it is fourth quadrant, answer will be 2 pi minus tan inverse. Okay, I'll write here. If theta lies in first quadrant, theta is tan inverse of y by x. If theta lies in second quadrant, it is pi plus tan inverse y by x. Now why plus sign has come, tell me?
Because it's in second
Y
one.
by x itself is negative. That negative will come outside. So pi se subtract ho jayega. If it lies in third quadrant, same formula. No change in the formula. Because in third quadrant, this will become positive. So you'll pi is added to it. So it'll come in third quadrant. And fourth quadrant, it is 2 pi minus tan inverse y by x. Not plus, here also plus. Because y by x is going to be negative, that negative will make it subtracted. Is it clear? Everything is printed in your book, so in your sheet, so you don't have to write all. So here theta lies in fourth quadrant. Theta is 2 pi plus tan inverse y by x. I don't have space to write. Theta is equal to tan inverse 2 pi plus tan inverse y by x. How much is y? Minus 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root. So 2 pi plus tan inverse of minus 1. So 2 pi minus pi by 4. So how much it became? 7 pi by 4.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So your r is 1. and theta is 7 pi by 4. Is it clear to you? Once
So the
again,
theta one not understood.
once again, if x comma y is given to you, then your polar coordinate is r and theta. R is obtained by root of x square plus y square, and theta depends on the quadrant. Depending on which quadrant, if it is the first quadrant, directly tan inverse y by x. If it is second and third, pi plus tan inverse y by x. Second and third. And if it is fourth, 2 pi minus plus tan inverse y by x. Is it okay? Any doubt?
No.
Now let's go back to the question bank and see whether we can answer it. Go to the question bank. Once you have to polar coordinate, check any polar coordinate question is there here. No.
The can't be.
No either. Last 10. Yeah, here. Polar coordinate. So what is given to
Screen is not visible.
not visible? Okay.
Picture.
All right. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
What is R here? 3 by 4. What is theta here? 3 pi by 4. What do you want to calculate? Cartesian coordinate. What is the formula for Cartesian coordinate?
R cos
Theta, R sin theta. Now put the value. R is 3 by 4, cos 3 pi by 4. R is 3 by 4, sin 3 pi by 4. I hope all of you know how to calculate cos 3 by 4's value. It is negative and 1 by root 2. This is positive and 1 by root 2 because in second quadrant, cos is negative and y is positive.
Yes, sir.
Cos is positive, negative, and y is sin is negative. Sin is positive. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood that? Okay, let's check any other question on polar coordinate. Any other question? Yes. Give me the answer for this. Cartesian coordinate is
4 cos pi by 3.
4 cos pi by 3, 4 sin pi by 3.
4 sin pi by 3.
There's nothing else to write. One mark question is, no? Directly you can write the formula. Polar coordinate is r cos theta, r sin theta. So r cos theta, r sin theta. R is equal to 4 and theta is equal to pi by 3. Just replace and write your answer. No problem, no?
No.
Everybody? Now let's go to formulas of trigonometric equation. Properties of triangle. Properties of triangle, tell me the formulas that you should know. Somebody?
Sin theta, cos theta.
Sine rule, cos
Sine
rule,
rule.
cos rule, projection rule, and cos.
Okay. First of all, sine rule. What is sine rule? Tell me sine rule.
Sir, A by sine A is equal to K. Same with B by sine B, and same with C by sine C.
How do you use them in the formula, in the problem? You will equate this with some K.
Yes,
If you
sir.
want to remove, if you want to convert A to trigonometric ratio, K sin A. B will be replaced by K sin B. C will be replaced by K sin C. And sin A will be replaced by A by K.
So solution of triangle, cosine rule, projection rule, sine rule, application of sine rule and all are omit.
Which is that, you know, that sin A by 2 wala. This is deleted. ये तो है.
हाँ sir.
Proof
Formula
of this
तो
is
इसका
not there.
derivation है.
Derivation नहीं है. Okay. Second, cosine rule. See, we'll not go too much into that part. We will solve the question bank. जो question bank में है, वो है. Very simple method. Don't have to take your tension. That's why they give question bank, because of the confusion. B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. This everybody knows, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the projection rule? Small a is equal to B cos C
cos C plus C cos B.
Then my favorite formula, sine of A plus B into sine of A minus
Of
B.
A minus B sin square A minus sin square B.
Sin square A minus sin square B. इतना आपको याद होना चाहिए. Whenever you come across A minus B, you must multiply and divide by A plus B, sin A plus B, so that we can apply this formula. Okay? Because if you apply this formula, you can replace sin A by K and sin B by K, and your problem will be solved very fast.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with this. I went through the question bank. I felt only one part of this question slightly. Dromil, everything from question bank. Dromil asked me what percentage will come from question bank. Everything from question bank.
100%.
But not ditto questions. Can you do question number 2? Everybody start. Put cosine rule, put sine rule, put sine rule. Put cosine rule. What is the cosine rules formula?
So A square plus, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC.
BC. Sine B is
K sin
by
B.
K.
Yes, sir.
2 into C by K. So K goes away. 2C goes away. A B के साथ multiply. B square goes away. C square equal to A square. C is equal to A.
Isosceles.
So if C is equal to A, what you can say?
Isosceles.
Isosceles.
Right angle
How will you
triangle.
write the question? How will you write your answer? 2 C
Isosceles.
an isosceles triangle. You will write the whole thing. Will write. Don't write
Yes,
only
sir.
C. No need of any this calculation. What you did, if you remember directly, you can put isosceles like this.
The right angle के लिए check कैसे?
Right angle check नहीं होगा ना. इसमें से आपका conclusion
Right
नहीं
angle होता तो
Right
B
angle.
square plus C square equal to A square ऐसा कुछ
हाँ.
होता.
Pythagoras theorem should satisfy, na? You didn't end up in that. If you had ended up in that, you could have done that.
D option. Yes.
Only isosceles. We can't say anything about right angle. Chalo, next one. Next one. Question number 6. One angle
Yes,
is
sir.
30. Another angle is 60. What is the third angle?
90.
90. So the ratio of side. So sin A is to B is to C is same as sin A is to
K sin A.
sin
Yes,
B is to sin C. So what is sin A's value? Sin 30 is to sin 60 is to sin 90. Sin 30 is half, root 3 by 2 and 1. But we don't have this exact value. So multiply with the 2. 1, root 3, 2. So which is option?
A.
Option is A.
Yes, sir.
Fatafat karo next one. B square plus C square minus A square is BC. What is cos A? Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC.
1 upon
जगह पे क्या लिख सकते हैं?
60 degree.
60 लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
So cos A is half. So angle A is how much?
60 degree.
60 degrees. So answer is B pi by 3. Time pass हो गया. No problem, no?
No.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Now let's see. चलो ये करो एकदम लल्लू पंचू. Cos P replace करो. Cos A replace करो. Fine.
Yes, sir.
इसमें sin A replace करो, sin B replace करो, you will get the right hand side. Sin A, sin B, sin C. What do you write instead of sin A?
A by K.
A the whole square. Okay, 1 minute. Before you start this problem, you must write by sine rule, by cosine rule. You will write, what will you write the statement for
Yes,
this?
sir.
By cosine rule. In a triangle ABC, cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Now replace this here, replace
Yes,
this
sir.
here, and that's answer. LHS equal to RHS.
सर ये साइड में लिखना है।
हाँ, लिखना साइड में नहीं, मेन स्टेट में बाय कोसाइन रूल।
हाँ
Okay, sir.
ओके, इसमें साइन रूल पहले लिखना पड़ेगा, बाय साइन रूल। All right, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C equal to K. Say. Then you will write sin A is A by K. And sin B is B by K. And sin C is C by K.
Yes, sir.
Everybody know this, that angle should be in capital letter and side angle length should be in small letter. That part everybody knows, no?
Yes, sir.
Then just substitute and show LHS equal to RHS. No problem?
No, sir.
Then question number 7 karo. Which rule will you apply?
Sine rule.
Sine rule.
Sine
Substitute
rule.
in sine rule. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. So replace A as 3. Angle A as 3 by 4. Sin A as 3 by 4. B by B as 4 and sin B B. So 3 got cancelled, 4 got cancelled, sin B is 1. So angle B is 90 degrees.
90.
They are giving you a direct application of formula only in the test, in the this thing. Question number 1. Actually, also
Uh-huh.
question number 1 mark is all as a direct application formula.
Sir, how will we do question number 5?
Coming. That is not reached. Formula na tan inverse x plus tan inverse y.
Yes, sir.
Just I'm taking all one formula and doing it. Chalo, actually, according to me, the one question only out of this is something to talk about. Okay, question number 2 wala, 2 marks question. Directly, you will say by cosine rule, okay, or take LHS.
Yes, sir.
First, by cosine rule, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B is equal to blah blah blah. Cos C is blah 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 blah. Put here, and you will get LHS equal to RHS. No problem, no?
No problem, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Say easy worksheet only they are given, so easy.
Yes, sir.
चलो, this कम से कम थोड़ा तो मजा आता है. Take this LHS. Expand B minus C the whole square.
Yes, sir. समझा सर. अभी ये sir, or can we do this? We can take B as K sin A and C as K sin C and cos square.
Just
A
look
by
at this.
2
ये
as-
तो मजा आएगा इसमें, ऐसे ही करते हैं. 2 स्टेप में आपका आंसर आएगा. Now B square coefficient you take. Cos square A by 2 plus sin square A by 2. फिर 2BC का कोएफिशिएंट ले लो. Cos square A by 2. See, there it is minus sign. Here it is plus sign. But I took minus common. So
Right.
minus sin square A by 2. and plus now c square का coefficient ले लो, cos square a by 2 plus sin square a by 2. Now don't write any explanation for a plus b the whole square only. You need to only write explanation for the formula that you learned this year in this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Don't write explanation for sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Directly you can do it. What is cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2? Cos a plus c square. Now directly you can write, if you want, you replace cosine rule here, or directly you write answer as a square. Because this is also cosine rule formula. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. This is also known as cosine rule formula. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
But if you are feeling little difficult, replace cos a's formula. Put cos a here. Fine, everybody, no problem.
No, sir.
ये भी अच्छा है. Question number 6. Direct application formula. कुछ ज्यादा सोचने का जरूरत है नहीं. Are you all writing or just watching?
So
Writing.
Writing, sir.
watching sir.
हाँ नहीं लिख लो ना.
सर मतलब main formulas लिख रहे हैं, but
हाँ.
completely.
But then you must solve it later than that case.
हाँ sir, I can solve it.
Because you have to see that you get that answer. Then you will, in the examination, you will feel very comfortable.
Yes sir.
Otherwise, उधर calculation में कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. Then you will be searching. तो ऐसा आना चाहिए था, क्या हो गया, ऐसा सर्च करेगा.
Yes sir, I will do it.
So you'll have to calculate 169, 225, 14 square is how much? 196, no?
No, sir. I think 196 is 14 square.
Yeah. That's what I said.
Sir,
So
I have
30.
13 square.
2 into 13 into 15. So 390. 30 into. अभी कितना हो गया इसका? Some calculate and tell me. Minus 30. So 195, na? Now
Yes,
write it in least form. 5 से divide करो.
So
39.
0.5 our answer.
Directly 5, na?
0.5076.
No, don't do decimal. Decimal marks, no marks. अपने को calculator use किया, marks cut.
So 198 आ रहा
Sir,
है.
190.
1/2 है ना sir?
आप लिख सकते हो.
198 कैसे आया?
195 नहीं आ रहा.
195 आ गया ना. ये दोनों subtract किया तो -30 आ गया ना. और -30 225 से निकला तो 195.
198 will come.
How 198, my dear?
Sir, 198.
So 394 minus 196, right?
394. कहाँ से 394 आया?
उन दोनों को ऐड करके.
Square is 169 ना. 14 square is how much?
196.
बराबर है कि नहीं?
सर मैंने
Yes,
अभी
sir.
कैलकुलेटर से किया फिर भी 198 आ रहा है.
सर 200 आ रहा है.
14 square तो 196 है ना शोगुन?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो 196. अच्छा वो 169 है. ओह
सर 198 है.
हाँ ये 198. ये 3 का डिफरेंस. So 198 out of 390. तो इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. 99 अपॉन 3 से कैलकुलेट. 6 3s are 18. $63 upon 130 बराबर है कि नहीं?
सर 3 से
66.
डिवाइड किया 66 होगा ना सर?
66.
यस सर.
So 33
Sir,
upon
नहीं
65.
75 65 61.
और हो सकता है.
Yes sir.
That's all, no?
That's also.
Yeah, याद करके देखो ऐसा कैलकुलेशन होता है. You have to write in least form. तो इसका आंसर 1 step What to do?
Sine rule.
Cos A upon sin A is cos B upon sin B. So cot A is equal to cot B. A equal to B.
सर तो साइन कैसे है?
Sin rule. A की जगह sin A.
हाँ
K
ये
sin
तो समझा.
K cancelled. Fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, सब इसी है. So clear that. You can parallelly do. Okay, but don't wait. When I'm teaching, you can start your own. You don't have to wait for me to continue. A cos A and B cos B are equal. Prove that triangle ABC is right angle triangle or isosceles. So what to do?
Sine rule.
Cosine rule.
Cosine
Sir,
rule.
isn't it this? Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Cosine rule.
Sine rule will be better. Put sine rule. No, one step में आ जाएगा.
हाँ so वही तो.
So A you replace by sine rule. A is K sin A. B is K sin B. 3 marks का क्वेश्चन है ना. So ये लिखना पड़ेगा पहले. Now replace it. K sin A cos A is K sin B cos B.
Yes, sir.
Multiply and divide. Multiply both sides with the 2. 2 sin A cos A is 2 sin B cos B. Sin 2A is equal to sin 2B. Now make it equal to 0. Now sin C minus sin D. समझा कि नहीं?
नहीं सर.
So
सर अभी क्या किया? सर ये लास्ट स्टेप नहीं समझा.
sin C minus sin D का फॉर्मूला.
हाँ वो है.
2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So what you can say here?
हाँ 2 divide case. Yes.
Cos A plus B into sin A minus B. Now 2 possibility after this. I'm writing this side, continuation of that.
Yes, sir.
What are the 2 possibilities?
Sin A minus B equal to 0.
Cos A plus B is 0, or product of 2 numbers 0 means sin of A minus B is 0. That means A plus B is pi by 2.
And A minus B is 0.
Or A minus B is 0. A plus B pi by 2 matlab C is pi by 2. And A is equal to B. So C is pi by 2 means triangle is right angle.
Isosceles.
Or triangle is isosceles. Angle A and angle B are. So the triangle is either right angle or isosceles. Why I did not do cosine rule? Can you tell me what is the reason?
It will be very long.
I have to get this formula. Look, I should get A minus C into some, which is right angle C. Na? So A square plus B square minus C square equal to 0. Like this I should get from it if I'm using cosine rule. A to square cube, it will become so difficult for us to enter. You'll be able to do, though not that you cannot do it. Either A is equal to C, A equal to A minus B. Either A equal to B, so it becomes a little bit lengthy to do it. That's why I did it this way. Fine, everybody is fine with this?
Yes.
No doubt?
No.
No, sir.
Now please do the next one. Please do the next one. Cos 2A, we don't have formula. Cos 2C, we don't have formula. So make them, what to do?
Cross multiply.
Open करना.
Now make cos 2 theta का formula sin में लिखो.
1 minus 2
हाँ,
sin
वैसे लिख
square A.
1 minus 2 sin square A. अभी sin rule apply कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2 sin square C. So your aim is to convert into sine rule and cosine rule. अभी 1 by A square आ गया. Minus 2 sin square upon A square. Minus 1 by C square plus 2 sin square C upon C square. So till now, no explanation, just direct application. Now you will write what is our sine rule? A by sine A is K. This sine rule you will write it equal to K. So
Yes,
I can
sir.
write this is 1 by A square minus 2 into 1 by K square. 1 by C square minus 1 by C square.
So plus and minus 1 by K square.
ये दोनों cancel, hence approve. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
चलेगा सर.
All my favorite students are doing now this problem.
Yes, sir. I don't know if I'm your favorite.
Yeah, you are my favorite.
कर रहे.
Suraj, you are my favorite.
सर का फेवरेट ध्रुमिल है.
Rumbil है, बहुत सारे. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what you will do here? What you feel? Cos A upon A देखेगा तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला डालेंगे? और राइट हैंड साइड में देखो क्या चाहिए? ABC चाहिए ना? तो कोसाइन रूल ही डाल दो. Put cosine rule and take LCM. कर सकते हैं अपने आप now.
Yes, sir.
And what
Yes,
answer
sir.
should you end up in? Show that it's a right angle triangle. So if you are putting cosine rule, you should end up in B square plus C Pythagoras theorem. It should end up in Pythagoras theorem. Okay, just put cosine rule. All of you try this problem. अच्छा लगेगा.
तो वो वाला फॉर्मूला ना, a square plus c square minus b
Yeah.
square upon 2ac.
Cosine में एक ही हुआ ना? 2 into B square plus C square minus A square upon A है ना? So 2BC and A will come here.
abc.
Yes,
Next
sir.
will be cos B. A
Sir,
square
common
plus,
denominator हो जाएगा. सब.
That also abc.
yes, so common denominator हो जाएगा.
Sub abc.
Yes, and we'll end up in Pythagoras theorem. And right hand side is there also LCM ले लो.
Yes, sir.
So कौन सा
ABC.
नहीं है? A square plus B square हो जाएगा. So ABC
ABC
throughout
cancel.
cancel. और 2 भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं लेकिन ये 2 by 2 चलेगा.
So
So
2a square plus 2b square, right?
2 रहने दो ना.
Yes.
तो कितना a square होगा? Minus 2a square, 4a square, so 3a square. 2a square तो ये दोनों कैंसिल.
फिर 2 cancel कर दो ना.
2b square बचा है. 4b square बचा
कैंसिल
है.
करेगा तो फिर नहीं ऐसे रहने दो. 2 रहने दो उधर. a square cancel. 2c square c square cancel. Now write your answer. 2b square minus b square plus 2b square. So 3b square. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Then 2a square and 2c square. 2 नहीं है. A square and c square. Now cross multiply. So b square equal to
c square. So
B
2b square.
B square plus c square equal to a square. B
So
square
इसका
plus c
cancel.
square equal to a square.
हाँ, yes.
So what you'll say? Pythagoras theorem satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, triangle ABC is right angled at A. This is important, right angled at A. Small letter A became hypotenuse. So angle A became the right angle.
सर हम लोग को LHS से RHS तक लेके आना है.
Yeah.
LHS से RHS तक लेके जाना ना पर.
You need to prove that. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
हाँ तो हम
Oh, then
लोगों
I
ने
made a mistake. I made a mistake. Oh, I have to take from it. No, this question we are doing, na?
Yes, okay.
नहीं इधर
This is given. na?
LHS से RHS नहीं लेना है.
This is given.
अच्छा
And you have to
लेगा
show
वो.
it's a right angle triangle.
प्रूव नहीं करना है ये.
You have to use
हाँ हाँ.
If this condition is satisfied, show that triangle is right. I started with a condition and ended up in right angle.
Yes, yes. Then it's correct.
Yeah, not this problem. I was doing this problem.
Yes.
Everybody fine with it?
Sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
What are the reasoning you will be writing in it? Only cosine rule. And ending when you
Awesome.
final statement, Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. These are two compulsory statements. Now question number 6. Which side is better to start with?
RHS.
We'll take RHS because they're more complicated. So which rule you are going to apply here? Sine rule, no?
Master sign.
Yes, sir.
What answer you want? You want only A and B. C nahi chahiye.
Yes, sir.
So apply sin C minus sin T. 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. See देखो. This is my answer. This should be my answer. So बाकी सब cancel हो जाने चाहिए. sin C को क्या लिख सकते हैं?
Sir, sin 2 theta का formula.
Yeah. A इसके साथ cancel, A इसके साथ cancel, A इसके साथ cancel. Do you agree with this?
Yes.
तो इधर आपको लिखना पड़ेगा 90 minus C by 2.
C by 2 आएगा उधर.
कहाँ से 90 minus C by 2 मिला?
Right angle triangles.
हाँ. नहीं. A by 2 plus B by 2.
Sin theta को cos theta में convert किया.
नहीं. A plus B by 2 is
90 minus C by 2 because A plus B plus C is 180.
Because in a triangle, A plus B plus C is 180.
So divide, yes, sir.
ये आपको reasoning देना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
Now sin C by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 upon sin C by 2. This reasoning you have to put. Don't forget to write that reasoning. A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So here you will give what reasoning here? By sine rule. Then no reasoning. Here, what you did A plus B by 2, how you replaced? It's got to be no reasoning because it's at 11th standard formula. Reasonings are required only in the formula that you are writing this year. Anybody wanted to see?
Circle practicals रहेगा क्या?
नहीं, practical सब बंद है. अभी board exam के बाद.
हाँ.
We want, if all students who are interested, please join every day for maths like this, solving one chapter.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's all. That little thing I can do for you in the last. Actually, this was the most important question. Okay, fine. So 3 by 4 is sine 120 minus A into sine A. So 3 by 2 is 2 sine 120 minus A into sine A. Tell me what formula can I apply here? Why did I bring only 2 to the side?
Cos C minus cos C.
Yes. That is cos of difference of the angle minus cos of sum of the angle. Which formula did I apply? 2 sine A sine B is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B.
So the cos 120 plus 2 आएगा ना फिर
120 minus A plus A, na? This angle plus A will give you 120. This
I will
angle
cancel.
minus A will give you minus 2.
Yes.
So 3 by 2 is plus cos 60. Cos 60 is half, na? So here I get the answer. Cos 120 minus 2A is 1. So 120 minus 2A equal to 0. So A is 60 degrees. So angle A is 60, angle B is 60, angle C is 60.
Yes.
Therefore A equal to B equal to C. Fine.
So A square, B square, C square.
So A square equal to B square equal to C square. So B square minus C square equal to A square minus C square minus A square. Therefore A square, B square, C square and in AP. For only an equilateral triangle, angle is in AP and sides in AP or GP, whatever you say.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Have you all completed?
Yes, sir.
Then cos square C minus cos square A upon C plus A is A minus C upon K square. Now LHS में substitute करो, everything will get cancelled.
फिर 0 upon K square आ जाए.
Yeah, 0 upon K square. Good problem, eh?
सर ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया.
ये आएगा, ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है.
Yes.
And yeah, they have to ask one question out of it. कोई भी एक तो आएगा ही. Now, inverse trigonometry function I'll take next class. इसमें क्या idea है? This completed or shall I explain further?
No, sir. See.
In this one, what to do? This also take only one term. Can I remove this side?
Yes, sir.
Others are also
Yes,
yes or only Antar is yes?
तो रिकॉर्ड करने वाले पे.
Record किया मैंने.
हाँ, okay.
Take only one term. A square into sine B minus C upon sine A. 1A, you write as K sine A. Sine square A. Into sine B minus C upon sine A. So sine A got cancelled. Now listen to me carefully. This sine A you write as 180 minus B plus C. . I told you whenever b minus c आएगा तो क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ 180 minus a नहीं 180 plus a.
नहीं, whenever you come across sin b minus c, bring a sin b plus c.
ऊपर
तो क्या हो जाएगा ये?
yes
sin square b
yes.
minus sin square c हो जाएगा. आपको इसका रीजनिंग लिखना पड़ेगा. Since sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. So पहला आंसर मिल गया.
Yes sir.
Sin square b minus sin square a. Next answer will be what?
Sin square
Sin
b
square c minus sin square a.
Now substitute all the thing, put a substitute in LHS and get similarly. इसके बाद similarly b square into sin c minus a upon sin b is k square into कौन सा नेगेटिव होगा? b इधर पॉजिटिव, c पॉजिटिव. sin square c minus sin square a. c square into sin of a minus b upon sin c is k square into sin square a minus sin square b. Now equation 1, 2, 3. Substitute in LHS. So LHS will become 0.
yes 0.
So all this you have to do only one term. Huh? This one a simplify करो, इसको a simplify करो, इसको भी a की simplification करो. And then apply similarly and get others.
yes
Okay, these two problems we'll do next class because I have a class after this.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I'll start with this. Then inverse. So कल ये chapter हो जाएगा. Everybody is fine?
Yes, sir.
Now what is
Yes,
your
sir.
job? You have to revise all the formula in the formula sheet. Then look at the sheet and revise mentally all the questions. क्या क्या करना है? Each question में क्या करना है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll continue next class tomorrow में.
सर ये ध्रुमिल कौन है?
ये क्या है?
ध्रुमिल का फोटो अलग है, वो आप जानते हो उसे?
जाने दो ना. What is the problem?